Why do you have to make it weird? Why do you always make it weird? You ever noticed that, Tommy? You always makes everything weird.
I'll just stay in the obvious, mate.
Just make it weird.
Anyway, I'm not. It's just telling you the obvious. Anyway, if you look over here,
Just a second.
I have to be on the high ground.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
It's on the high ground. Oh.
Alright, let's put in everything. I don't need to be carried in
Yeah.
storage.
Right, yeah.
I've got a feather, I don't know what that does.
Oh, yeah, that's what I got it from that what's called thing we went to, but I don't know if we're supposed to apply it to something. Right, so, parachute. Parachute is for this.
Oh, I want one of them.
Yeah, so you have to, when you're falling, as long as you've got the umbrella up, you have to press space, and it basically uses it like an umbrella,
How'd you build
like a
that
parachute.
anyway? It's not.
But it also helps.
It's not on the table.
It's in the table.
It's not for
Oh
me.
no, did you buy it
No,
from
I didn't
the?
buy it.
Did
That's
you buy the blueprints?
why I'm going to see if
Yeah, it might be the blueprint. Well, hang on, maybe I should be able to make you one really, but
We'll try it and see.
yeah, if you want to buy
Let's
it,
try
if you
it
want to
and
get
see.
the. But I need another hide, I think.
I don't
I
think
need
so.
for the items. Let me,
Ah, here you go.
hang on. Let me have a look.
Come to me.
Right, so I need one more hide. Yeah. Come in. Where are you? Oh, there it is. Right, so that's two. Then all I got to do is if I go leave from here. Oh, I can drop it. Ready? So you take my one. Drop from the floor.
Here you go.
That's cool. So yeah, so we can actually work together by buying different separate things, maybe. That's cool.
How do I put it in my inventory bar?
You got to put it in the bar on the right from 6, 7, 8, 9 because it's an offhand.
So what do you have to do? Press the
So
right trigger, left trigger.
no, so when you so if you got no, when you jump, when you got the umbrella out, you jump once and press it again, press jump again, and then you'll go into glide.
Oh, it kills your stamina.
See? Yeah. So you want to make sure when you go to use it, if you're falling from a like later on when your stamina's probably better. Oh yeah, good point. Let's see this one. Right, let's go and get some. What else do we need to build?
This fire seems to cook faster.
Oh, how have you done that?
I don't know, it's just doing it. Is it because it's inside, maybe?
Ah, maybe yeah, into a house. Oh, hang on. If you've got, you want me to make you the climbing? Unless you've already got them. I've got climbing.
Got the
blueprint and
blueprints. I haven't got any more. Well, you've got all mine.
Right.
Oh, actually, I've got 2 straps. Funny enough. Let me drop it. There you go.
Was that the
It's right in front of the table.
Right. Yeah. So climbing pits. These, if I remember correctly, when we're near those mountains and stuff, you have to basically like once you jump once, you keep moving forward, holding forward, and jump again, sort of thing. It starts to climb. From what I can remember. Right. So if I drop this on the floor, drop. So I've got that in my 5th slot. Everything. So if you, I suppose you can do it with each building. I suppose. So if I'm holding this, let's see if make sure these work actually. So if I jump up. Oh, just press jump once to the wall and keep walking forward towards it. It does climb it, but your stamina is obviously going to be... Like, my stamina's not great either. I think you just have to hold it to that. But you did better than me, I couldn't get that high.
Stamina's terrible, though, isn't it?
Yeah, the stamina drops quite quick at the moment. Have to look and see what we... Right, we're going to see what this resource over here is, the crystal looking things.
Oh, it's got loads of building stuff.
Like load of water buildings up in the hills. Yeah, we'll have to. Right, what we're collecting here. What we've just found.
Simple sand bench. We got to build that. We need 5 more.
I've just found some raw gems from these kind of rocks. We've made the pickaxe that can break it. I guess it's quartz. What's this one is? And I found tin.
What do we need for the simple sewing bench? Logs, animal fibre, and stone blocks.
Yeah. I'm guessing some of the things you'll make using the tanning because you've got loads of choices there, like leather straps or leather straps, leather something. Right. Found some other resources you might need.
Working on a simple sand table now. It's just animal fibre. I need to go kill some more animals. See if the piggies will respawn.
Right, we've got just more gems in here.
Piggies. Mind me, I'm not the one that killed all your mums and dads. Come here.
Right, so animal fibre. Oh, animal fibre is the meat. So if you've got meat, don't cook it straight away. Get it into the on the tanning thing to make the animal fibre.
There's 8 meat in the drawer. I'll put them in there. In the basket thing that you made.
Oh yeah, so you can make the animal fibre with the.
I have found the piggies.
Can't restore wear a stamina each time they.
Hello, little piggy. Give me a fibre. That sounds nice. Right, you want one of these stone catapult slingshot things are amazing.
Are they good? Oh,
Yeah.
I'll have to build that next. Yeah, I'll have to build that next. Grab there. I'll get that meat into the. There it is. So if I drop that there, go to the tanning rack. Right, yeah, animal fibre, autofill. Right, the animal fibre is. Oh, wow, only payment. Crap.
Shame you can't grow out more than one thing at a time.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, you can't queue it. I don't know if you can queue it.
I need one more animal fibre. I'm out of meat again. More animal fibre.
I've just put all the thing in there to make the animal fibre for you.
No, it wasn't enough.
We'll go on a massive hunt. Oh, right. We'll have to go and do some more. Apparently, there was a lot of stones in there.
They're heavy. I'm guessing we're just going to slowly come across stronger bosses, otherwise it's going to be way too easy. I'm not one-shotting piggies.
Right now, the idea is, because according to this, what we're going to have to do, there's going to be, we're going to have to make some other clothing, which will then give us more gear skills.
Oh shit, piggies!
Making more rounds. I take it, is it when you shoot it, you've got to reload it yourself?
Yeah, each time, yeah.
Automatically.
Oh, there's something over here, Butters.
Where's your name? I don't see your name. You have to do it at a distance. Which way did you go, bird?
Around the back of the temple.
Right, another way. Let's go.
What have you picked up, Lewis, my man? 25 stone. I think I melted down all my stuff and I could have just given it to you, couldn't I, really?
Oh, I suppose that's why he's not doing anything. Is he actually got no tools?
He's only got his axe, yeah. That's why he's not doing a pickaxe. So he's not doing anything but getting stone when he can.
Right, okay, yeah, that makes sense now. Didn't think about it. Right, yeah, so next time when we start making a bit passive to him. Oh. Yeah, we'll do that.
Play mirror round cards. I'm not going to do that yet. Let's go and get this. Go and do the sewing table because that's what it wants us to do.
Oh, you do the sewing table. I was going to level that because it's distracted. Let's have a look at this. Sorry, when you went up to this thing, what did it do? Anything apart from it's got
electrical... It says play mirror round cards, but I don't know what that means, so I'm not going to do it just yet.
Oh, well, we haven't got any, so we can't do it. I think it's what changes the world. You can mess with things.
Right.
There are cards, I think, where you can change the, like you could possibly change what the resources could be like, or like the sky with creatures, that kind of stuff.
Right, sewing table's done.
Cool. I guess that's where we're going to make the new clothing items.
I've not made the sewing table, I've made the soaring table is what I've done. Because I wasn't reading properly.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm a fucking idiot.
Well, yeah, well, I mean,
we still need to unlock a simple sewing table.
I'll unlock... well, hang on, if I unlock the sewing table, I wonder if that will help. Will it contribute towards both of us working together and that? I just need to melt something into essence. Let's get rid of you. Extract. Yes, confirm. Right, you. Right, so we need... Oh yes, I didn't see the other one. So, sewing bench. Right, I've just picked up the sewing bench. Oh, I see, yeah, you've got some floor paper. Right. Okay, what do we need for this? Basics and sewing bench, right. Place that. We'll place you right in here. Right, I need fibre and wood. Ow, I've just let a tree land on the end. Oh, hey mate, when you come up from the house, look to the mountain, can you see what looks like sort of top of the church thing?
Oh yeah,
Across the way?
church steeple stuff.
I just, yeah, it's quite a few more logs.
Okay.
Oh, no, he's done it. Right, so, okay, so yeah, a simple capelet. We're going to need leather. There's boots. It'll be a new backpack, gloves, hand wraps. It's all to do with leather and plant fibre. What do we use? So on the tanning rack, to make leather, again it's hide. So hide on its own. So we're going to do a bit of hunting.
Piggy's probably respawned by now, so it's good. Shoot first some
But hang on, I just want to go and put down another. We'll put another storage thing down inside the house where we can just place whatever items we need in there as well. I think. I need more fibre. Well, while I'm out there, I'll grab the fibre. So piggies were behind to it. Got to use the site. I've not used the slingshot yet. Oh, I see.
Oh, Piggy's coming for an attack.
Yeah, got it in the face. Oh, I caught him right in the back of the leg. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
If there's any more around and they hear you, they will attack you.
There's another one! What? Ow! Oh shit, he hurts. Got him. Literally sent me to the... Oh my god, there's another one! I mean, I'm not moaning, we're going to have a lot more hide than we want and need. There's plenty of them. Look at that. Right, I've got some more meat and more things. Oh, there's the other one. So I like the fact that even if you melt like regular resource, extract it and turn it into essence, it doesn't really take. It just basically, if you had like 20 fibre on it, you'll just make 20 fibre out of the 20 essence. But I'm guessing there'll be higher end items that will probably be worth more.
I guess imagine each time you upgrade the better weapons and that, better things, and you turn it into essence, maybe it gives you more. Right, I'll be back in just a second. I just need to pop to
Yep, no worries.
the convenience.
Yeah. Just running with the slingshot. Way down.
Is it playing alright then?
Yeah, it's actually playing a lot smoother. Because when I played the stress test, obviously they since the last one they did that last stress test, they obviously then did a bit more of the optimization work and stuff. So it's running a lot more smoother. But yeah, it's just working quite well. Click on right. So we need the lever for the clothing. Autofill. That needs 2 of that, so I'm just going to start doing that part. But yeah, so it doesn't seem to be. There's nothing to do with like kind of like skill related stuff in your character. There's basically you got your inventory, but it's all about your things that you make, gear. I've seen on the videos that there is actually like a big player hub.
Mhm.
Eventually, where it kind of will lead the story up to there, where you can use that for gathering quests. And I mean, right now where we are, there's a temple, and there's actually some other NPC characters that you can. There's one you can recruit, and then there are ones that will give you like quests or missions you can take on,
Okay.
tasks. Right, oh my god, I got a lot of these. I did way too many. Right. No, this is the wooden tossable table. I take it you
Oh,
just
sorry
wood
about that.
out. You alright?
How are we doing? Right, what have I got to do to make clothes then?
Right, there's 2 pieces of leather being made right now. We're gonna have to, because I've just put all the hide in here to make the leather. We're gonna need a lot more. Actually, what I'm gonna do while he's doing that, oh no, keep picking it up. Autofill that. Obviously, I've got to wait for that other thing to finish.
Well, should we go off and do some before we sit here making what? Oh, so
Yeah, what you can do is
you
I'm gonna
unlocking that thing doesn't count for me. Well, I still haven't
so you
achieved
had to
that
unlock
part
it.
of the mission, so I need to go and unlock it.
Right, yeah, but yeah, if you
I
unlock
imagine
it,
I'll probably have to build
should show
it
you
too.
build. Right, I'm gonna put the leather into there. I'm gonna put the hide. I'm gonna put anything that's being made into these other storage. I'll tell you what, actually, the what's working. It's quite clever. The storage thing actually keeps whatever items height, whatever they stack wise. If you get another like one, it seems to keep them close together, like it's auto
Haven't
tidy.
got enough realm points.
Fiber. I might actually have got. Oh, well, yeah, extract. So that charm, for instance, what it is, if you extract it, it's essence dust.
We don't know what they're for yet.
No, that's why I don't want to turn it into thing until I know what it's really going to do. That's a stone block. That's why I've got to do that with carrying weight. Tall meat. Right, so let's get this correct on here.
I've got some hides on me.
So you got hide on you,
I've got some hides on me, yeah. Oh,
I went a bit over.
well that went wrong.
That's why. Right, so
T3 just fell
FYI,
through the
there's,
ground.
Oh. Well, just an FYI, I'm looking at, I made a shitload, what's called marbles. So I'll put those stairs in the
Right.
outside.
Alright.
Right, I've just turned. Where did you see that hide was?
On me, you'll have to come to where I
Yeah,
am.
I was waiting.
I'll drop it.
Yeah, I've just turned up behind you. I'll get it on the go. Put that in pay for us to go and have a little adventure around the sea.
Yeah, do something a little bit more interesting. I think this video is going to be chucked
Yeah.
away because it is literally just us
You might
building.
just fast forward it or